Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's episode of Declutter Diaries. Today we are in my youngest son's bedroom, Lucas's, and when I say this room is neglected, that is the understatement of the century. He had his birthday and Christmas in December, so there is just, as you can see, a mountain of like toys, clothes, just things where they just don't have a place. In all honesty, this kid has way too much stuff because it's now at the point where, because he has so much, he doesn't know what to play with or where to play because there's just so much stuff in here. And so I'm on a mission to not only declutter this room but also make it more user friendly, I suppose, so he can put his toys away, so he's got more space, so everything's just a little bit more spaced out so he can get his toys out, play with them, put them away. Now, one thing that I want to talk to you about this room before you start judging. This room massively needs redecorating. As you may see as I go through this room, or you may be able to see in some clips, the cats have clawed the wallpaper off the walls because he had this lovely brick effect wallpaper that has been clawed to smithereens. He does need a new carpet in here eventually, and the main reason that this hasn't been done is this room and Leo's room eventually does need replastering. And it's something that's on our to-do list, but you know, money doesn't grow on trees. And the problem I have is I am a bit of a perfectionist, so I've left this room because of that. I want to do it properly. I want to do this properly. I want to plaster properly first. I want to do this. And what I've just started to realise lately, especially this year, like I say, when I've been doing this whole decluttering process, is that you can't keep making excuses and you can't not do things because you're waiting for something else, because it just escalates, it gets worse. And what I've also noticed is Lucas's behaviour isn't great either, and I do put that down sometimes to having a messy room at home. You know, sometimes it's just the fact that he's a 6-year-old, but you know what it's like. Tidy house is a tidy mind, and I definitely think that that's the case for children as well. If they've got a nice sanctuary, a nice room to go into that's nice and clean and tidy, I think they would definitely behave better as well throughout the day because they'll have a nice restful sleep in a clean and tidy room. I definitely think that affects them.
I'm waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Another thing that I'm doing within this series is I am trying to utilise everything I have in my own home before I spend any more money. And this is because, again, times are tough at the moment and I want to try and shop my house for as much as I can first. And the one thing that I have in volume is Kallax units from IKEA, and Matt has quite a few in the gym that we decluttered the gym not long back. I didn't actually film that. I wish I had now, but we decluttered the gym, and I've got a couple of units that I'm going to pinch from his room. I've got one that I'm going to pinch from Leo's room, and then I'm just going to do some switcheroos around between the rooms just to try and get as much storage into Lucas's room as possible. I originally was going to move the bed and move the whole layout. I was going to get him a high sleeper. But the thing is Lucas is a little bit of a cannonball, right? He needs to have a low bed. I don't know whether I could trust him on a higher bed. And second of all, this layout does work if things were just more neat and tidy. So the plan is to try and move the wardrobe that is on the right hand side. I'm going to move that next to his desk and next to his bed. And then I'm going to create some kind of like media wall. Second of all, I needed to just declutter everything out of this room. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to put everything onto the bed and sort through it little by little. Put everything onto the bed, organise the furniture, and then try and put everything back that is a necessity or that he needs. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for the first... Well, this took me all day actually, so I'm going to speed it up. But when I tell you this was so hard and so long, that is the understatement of the century. Okay, so the toys took me pretty much majority of the day, and the last thing I wanted to do was just go through this little wardrobe that I'd now moved over to this side of the room. And basically, Lucas doesn't have a lot of clothes storage in this wardrobe because the drawers are pretty small. So what I decided to do was empty all this out, put just like underwear and pyjamas and then his uniform because I've got that hanging space. And then I was going to utilise the cubes over the other side of the room for like his hoodies, his trousers, his bulkier clothes. And I just think that this is such a good idea because then he can learn to put things away himself as well. So yeah, that's what I did. I took this opportunity to go through everything, make sure that everything was still in size, like still fitted him and stuff. And then yeah, I moved them over into the cubes, and Lucas helped me decide where to put them over the other side, which made it even more enjoyable for him then because he knew where everything was. And then the final last little job of the day was just to pop his prints back up. These are from Desenio. I only put the 2 out of the 3 up, but I just thought that this finished it off nicely. I am going to change the light, but I'm going to do that tomorrow because it's too dark now. And here we are. This is the finished room, and I'm so pleased with it. I think it looks just like a completely different room altogether, and Lucas loves it so much. I think he's going to have so much fun in here now.